The Sony Xperia 1.4 is a smartphone that was released in June 2022 by Sony. It has a lot of features that make it stand out from other phones, such as a 6.5-inch OLED display with 4K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, which is the brightest smartphone 4K HDR 120Hz display ever. It also supports HDR BT.2020 color space and has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. A triple lens camera that can record 4K HDR native 120 frames per second video on all lenses. It also has a true optical zoom 85 to 125mm lens, a 16mm ultrawide lens, and a 24mm wide lens, all with Zeiss optics and Dual Pixel PDAF. It can capture photos at 20 frames per second burst with AF and HDR3 and has real-time IAF and object tracking for photo and video on all rear lenses. A Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset with 12GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of internal storage, which can be expanded with a microSD card. It runs on Android 12 and is upgradable to Android 13. A 5000 mAh battery that supports 30W wired charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. It can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes with the PD 3.0 and PPS protocols. A 3.5mm headphone jack and stereo speakers with dynamic vibration system and 24-bit/192 kHz audio support. It also has Bluetooth 5.2 with Sony's audio technologies such as LE Audio, aptX HD, and aptX Adaptive. A fingerprint sensor on the side of the phone, along with other sensors such as accelerometer, gyro, proximity, barometer, compass, color spectrum, and TOF 3D. It also has native Sony Alpha camera support for professional photography. An IP65/IP68 dust and water resistance rating, which means it can withstand up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. The Sony Xperia 1.4 is available in 3 colors, black, violet, and white. It is compatible with all major US carriers, Verizon, AT&T/Cricket, T-Mobile, and supports both sub-6 GHz and mmWave 5G bands. The phone costs $1,399.99 for the 512GB version on Sony's official website.